Matara, located in the southern coast of Sri Lanka, is a blend of traditional and modern lifestyles, influenced by its coastal setting and rich cultural heritage. As a coastal town, fishing is a significant part of life in Matara. Many families are involved in fishing, either directly or indirectly, and the fresh catch is a staple in local diets. The beaches, such as Polhena Beach and Matara Beach, play a central role in the lifestyle. Locals often engage in recreational activities, such as swimming, surfing, and beach sports. Buddhism is deeply rooted in Matara, with many temples, including the famous Matara Paravi Duwa Temple. Daily rituals and annual religious festivals are important aspects of life. Due to its proximity to the sea, Matara's cuisine is rich in seafood. Dishes like fish curry, ambul thiyal sour fish curry, and other seafood delicacies are common. Apart from fishing, agriculture plays a vital role in the local economy. The area is known for paddy farming, coconut plantations, and other agricultural activities. With its beautiful beaches, historic sites, and cultural attractions, tourism is increasingly becoming a significant economic activity, providing employment in hospitality and related services. The town is gradually modernizing with new infrastructure developments, shopping centers, and increased connectivity, while still retaining its traditional charm. The people of Matara are known for their strong community bonds. Social gatherings, weddings, and other communal events are significant and often involve the entire neighborhood. Overall, life in Matara is a blend of tradition and modernity, with a strong connection to the sea and a deep respect for cultural heritage. The pace of life is relatively relaxed, with a focus on community, nature, and maintaining a balance between the old and the new.